The Ego 56-volt Power Plus chainsaw is a powerhouse, delivering up to 100 hassle-free cuts per charge. It's equipped with a 14-inch bar and chain, giving you the ability to cut more than 1 foot thick wood. 56 volts of lithium-ion power and a brushless motor give this chainsaw all the power you need to fell, limb, and chop up trees. Tension the chain and oil the blade with ease. For added safety, a chain brake shuts off the saw immediately. Effortlessly switch the battery between any of the Ego Power Plus tools so you never have to stop what you are doing. Now you can make firewood and not just a bunch of noise. A chainsaw that is ready whenever you need it. All bite without the bark. Part of the Ego Power Plus system. Power beyond belief.
Less fuel, lower emissions, more power.